Okay. So, okay. So now what I told you that here, this is the code written for the datagram connectionless socket programming for receiver side. I told you that two classes will be used. Code I have written, everything I have briefed. After that, how to run that code. That moment I have told you that same in Friday class, I have created the this uh, sender. I have written the code. Within this datagram socket, I have provided the IP address as 127.0.01. So, but here I was unable to find that Java source file. So no issue. I will show the code. Okay, in this Java T point, and the code will be like what you know. Code will be, see here. You come here. I will show the code. So that is what the sender code I have written. This is the sender code. Here, see, this is the IP address. I have provided the IP address like this. Whenever I have created the packet, this is the sender code. Friday class, I have explained all this code. Same .NET package from the two classes, datagram socket, object created. So this is the string that is being sent from the sender side. Okay, this string to be converted into bytes. Okay, I will explain. The sender address is what? This is loopback address. So now I have provided in the this address, init address. I have imported a class that is part of your .NET package. .NET package. Okay, this is the address, class. That class, it has a method. This is the method name. This method is being accessed through as a class method. It's not, so that's why I have not created an object. This is what, it's not object, it is a reference variable. So by this reference variable, used, okay. So why? Because this method get by name is a class method. It is being accessed with the class name. I told you that methods can be accessed with the object, otherwise class name. So here class name used here, this is a class method. So within this constructor, within the method parenthesis, I put the IP address. This is the IP address I am explaining here. This IP address is used for what? For sender side. Sender is sent. So that is what, when you use IP address 127.0. It is loopback address. What do you mean by loopback address? Means in your mission you are sending and they will be received. No need to use two PCs, two computers. In your PC, it is to be executed. In your, once you are uh, compiling two, what, two are open, two command prompts. One command prompt first, that is what your sender side, one command prompt for your receiver side. That moment code must be open here. It is open, but that receiver code I am not finding here. So that's why you need to write same code. You need to write. That is, where is that? The code. This much of code and IP address you have mentioned here. And that after that, this string to be converted into bytes by this method, get byte method. That is what method of what? String. String is an object. As I told you that it is primitive data, non-primitive data type. That's why non-primitive data type has the methods. String has the this method, get byte method. By that method, the string will be converted into bytes, and by this length, we can find the length. Everything we are sending to the receiver. This much of length of the string. Okay, this much of bytes it is having. Okay, and port number. At this port number, both sender and the receiver will be communicate, and there will be a socket. Both are here. Both are where? Both are in your open in your VS Code, wherever you have written the code, and you run this both. Like as I told you that if you write this Java C and your file name D receiver, so that moment I told you that what if you receiver. Okay, so that moment normally javac.java. This is you write the code, na? So another folder, not in the bin folder. Bin folder is what? That is part of your JDK. So whenever you stored your code source file in another folder, as I told you that I have shown here, I have shown in my computer. This is what VS Code. This is my folder. But your bin folder is in this x86, means this is 64-bit processor program file. This is 32-bit processor program files. Within this, you Java is here, and within this Java runtime environment, this is the bin folder. So this address you copy, and you copy this address. Okay. After that, you come here within this, wherever you are getting error. So here you put simply a command set path is equal to paste that. Okay. Now you run that. Now simply now take that word javac dreceiver.java. Still it is giving. So you do one thing. That moment set the permanent path. How can you go set the permanent path? You come here, control panel, that time come control panel and advanced settings, system security. System and security. System, you click on this system, come down here, view advanced settings. View advanced settings. Okay, view advanced system setting. This is, you click on here. Okay, so one window will be opened. This is the window. See here, try to run. Different tabs are there: computer name, hardware, advanced. Under this advanced tab, click on this advanced tab. Come down here, environment variable. Under advanced tab, these are tabs. Okay, advanced tab. Come down, environment variable. Click on this environment variable. Here, two variables you will find here. One is system variable, one is user variable. System where it is user variable for Krish. Krish is this computer name. Okay. Now under this new, click on the, already I have set the path here. This is the path I have provided here. Okay. In your computer, I am explaining how to run the, as I told you that. Okay. Here already I have provided the path. So in your computer, click on new. Here, put a name, any name, path, your name, any X, Y, X, Y, that variable name. Here, paste that code. That is the path. Under the C program files, x86 means 64-bit processor, under the Java, under the JRE, under the bin. One missed here, forward slash, backslash here. Backslash BI in bin. Okay. That is the bin you see here. Otherwise, again, you go there and you again copy here under this bin and you come, you click here and you copy this code. You copy this code, you come down here, where in command prompt, where is the command prompt here? And sorry, not here, no, system. You go here for, okay, you remove this, you paste here. Paste bin. Okay, after that, but variable name you need to set. But I am just showing you because already I have set the path here. Okay, here. Okay, after that, okay. Okay, here, this is the path I have provided here. Okay, so now you come down here. This, you remove this one. Same thing we will do this. Delete. Again, I am going here. Path, simply you write here path. Okay, and put the path here, paste. Now, okay, you do okay, one okay. After that, this total window, you okay, one more, we click here, and then okay. Okay. So now time is, I think, 9:40. Time is over. So I told you how to set the path two ways. One is the temporary way, another way is permanent path. So that moment you have provided, that is what your IP address 127.0.0.1 in sender side as a loopback address. So in your mission, only one computer you have, open two command prompts and try to compile the code. Okay. So if you store your data outside of the, I want to clarify one thing. If you store your source file in bin folder, where is your bin folder? This is bin folder. Where is your bin folder? This is here in Java. Okay, here in bin folder, your source file is here. So no need to set the path. Path to be set whenever you store your source file, not in bin folder, in different folder, that moment you need to set path, because Java compiler, all the tools will be in bin folder. If you put your source file in bin folder, there is no any problem running up that code. So if your source file that is part of another folder, that moment you need to set the path. Okay, I hope that you understand this. You do the practical at your end and try to resolve the issues, how to communicate socket programming. Okay, and this is almost 9:40. We will meet on Sunday class. Okay, I hope that this class will be useful to you, and have a nice day. I'm going to terminate this session. Jai Hind. Okay, stop share. Next, end.